In this video, you'll learn how to make your AI shout using Elevenlabs. This guide will provide you with clear instructions on how to effectively manipulate text to achieve a powerful vocal output. To begin, you will format your text using brackets to indicate the desired voice style. For example, you can type, "I am so angry, everybody listen." This notation informs the AI to raise the volume, pitch, and intensity of the voice, creating a more impactful shout. You can also experiment with different emotional tones by using alternative brackets, such as each variation will adjust the AI's delivery, allowing for a range of emotional expressions in your shouts. Next, consider using capital letters for extra emphasis. An example would be, "I can't believe this." This technique works particularly well for single words or short phrases. However, exercise caution, as excessive use of all capital letters in longer sentences can lead to an unnatural sound. Punctuation also plays a crucial role in enhancing the energy of your text. For instance, adding exclamation marks can increase excitement, as seen in the phrase, "Watch out." Additionally, using ellipses can create dramatic tension before a shout, like in "I will not let this happen." After formatting your text, you will want to adjust the voice settings for optimal results. Open the voice settings menu under your selected voice. Lower the stability setting to around 60 to 70% to achieve a less monotone and more expressive voice. Then raise the style or exaggeration setting to a range of 25 to 40%. This adjustment will make the shouting sound more natural and emotionally resonant. For maximum impact, combine all these techniques in a single example. You might say, "I am shouting, so angry right now." This combines brackets, capital letters, and exclamation marks to create a realistic and powerful shout. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.